With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, we have a question here. Sexual maturity of house mouse is attained at the age of. Alright, option 1 35 days, option 2 15 days, option 3 45 days, and option 4 75 days. Alright, look, what are house mouse? House mouse are generally the rodents found in our house. Okay, now sexual maturity is the age at which the male and female partner can copulate with each other. Okay, you can say that sexual maturity is the age when male and female, these are the signs of male and female, can copulate. Alright, and in house mouse this age is 35 years. Alright, 35 days, sorry, this age is 35 days, we can say 5 weeks. Okay, so the answer of this question will be option 1. Okay, answer will be option 1, 35 days. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.